डिक्टेशन शुरू होता है अब। कम्युनल वायलेंस इन इंडिया includes acts of violence by followers of one religious group against that of another religious group. This is often seen in the form of rioting, religious violence, especially in recent times, has generally involved the Hindus and the Muslims. There are also many incidents of violence among atheists, Christians, Jews, and Sikhs. However, the riots among Hindus and Muslims are known to be seen at a larger scale along with domestic organizations. The international human rights organizations have also published reports on acts of religious violence in India between 2005 and 2009, an average of 130 people died every year from communal violence. The state of Maharashtra reported the highest total number of violence related fatalities over that 5 year period. On the other hand, Madhya Pradesh experienced the highest fatality rate per year per 1 lakh pupil between 2005 and 2009. over 2012, a total of 97 people died across India from various riots related to religious violence. The average annual death rate due to intentional violence has been 7.9 per 1 lakh pupil. Historical records of religious violence are extensive for medieval India in the form of corpus written by numerous Muslim historians. The total number of deaths of this period is usually attributed to the figure by Professor K. S. Lal, who estimated that between the years 1000 AD and 1500 AD, the population of Hindus decreased by 80 million. Religious violence in medieval India began in centuries before the start of Delhi Sultanate with the raids by Turco Mongol, Persian, and Afghan armies. It intensified during Delhi Sultanate continued through Mughal Empire and then in the British colonial period the religious affiliation became an issue in the British period. Different political constituencies began to be established for different religions. This was particularly true of the Muslim League, which was created exclusively to cater to the interests of the Muslims. Purely Hindu organizations also appeared as Hindu Sabha. The Hindu Muslim riots became more frequent when Muhammad Ali Jinnah became the first Governor General of Pakistan, and the new border was demarcated in 1947. Thus, the partition of India saw large scale strife and bloodshed throughout the nation. Since then, India has witnessed sporadic violence sparked by underlying tensions between sections of the Hindu and Muslim communities. These conflicts also stem from the ideologies of Hindutva versus Islamic extremism. They are prevalent in certain sections of the population. Another major violence incidents was the 1969 Gujarat riot, which started after an attack on a Hindu temple in Ahmedabad and expanded to major cities and towns of Gujarat. The violence and bloodshed continued over a week and included attacks on Muslim Chauls by their Dalit Hindu neighbors. Full stop.